Welcome to Poultry Farm DIY, where I put you through to success on your first attempt in poultry business, especially for the beginners that has passion for poultry business. This is the right place for you, where I will be teaching you various ways in how to go about your poultry business, how to care for your birds, their medication, and so on. My name is Ajayi Oluwatosin. Join me every Sunday as you subscribe to this channel. I will be unleashing some secrets behind poultry businesses. Thank you. Don't forget to press the notification bell so as to notify you when I post a new video.